A beef stir fry with ginger and onions, broccoli, cabbage, bean sprouts, mushrooms, celery, again the shiratake noodles, a little bit of salsa, and some soya sauce. Alrighty, so touch the lids, get nice and warm. Some water in there to see if that beads, and you can see that that's beading around, so we don't need the water for that. And put the beef in. Beef, ginger, and onions. As soon as the ginger goes in, it smells so good. Ginger's so healthy for you. Get your blood flowing. Press it all down. Add a little bit of spike. I'm going to put the broccoli right on top, the cabbage, like that, celery underneath, the mushrooms, the harder vegetables lower on the bottom, and the bean sprouts on top, just like that. Put the lid on, give it a little bit of time to cook, and then we'll come back. Alright, we got some whistling action happening here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to peek inside. Sizzling away nicely. Going to move things around a little bit. Nice caramelization in the bottom of the pan. And that's all going to be that lovely flavor. The meat's just coming off. So when I cut the meat like this, it's called chipped beef. When you cut the beef into very small pieces like this. Everything's just released off the bottom of the pan. A bit of moisture from the mushrooms and the vegetables. So I'm going to stir this around. This has gone off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lid on. Let the whistle go off again. And then add the final ingredients and then we eat. This has been about 6 minutes so far. Yeah, it's been approximately a minute and a half. And now the whistle's gone off again after I've stirred it. So now I'm going to open it up again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a nice big tablespoon of spicy salsa. You know what? I'm going to go all that there and make it 2 tablespoons. A little bit of soya sauce in here, like that. I'm going to add my shiratake noodles. And then put the lid on. When the whistle goes off next time, everything's going to be nice and hot. And another dinner for one on the road. Healthy vegetables. Bit of tofu, nice healthy dinner, low carb, healthy. That's what we should be doing. Another couple of minutes, dinner's ready. That looks yummy. That is another dinner for one success. This is really good.